What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This video I'm going to bring you a quick unboxing overview, kind of a comparison. This is the Apple Watch Ultra. Verizon had this on sale for $150 off, so I did a splurge purchase. There's a few reasons why I upgraded from this. I have currently the Apple Watch Series 7, the 45 millimeter size, I believe. And the reason why I went with this upgrade was a few reasons. One is it was $150 off on Verizon, and I like the bigger size, bigger battery life. I wanted to be a little bit more distance from my phone, so having cellular, especially at work where I don't have to carry my phone, working in a hospital, I usually take my phone with me just in case, but I would like to distance myself from my phone if possible. So that's the overall goal here. These are still running where you can sell them between $250, $300. Go ahead and put that down there for the Series 7. Paperwork here, that's how to connect it. Originally I was going to buy it straight through Apple, but I went the Verizon route just because of how cheap it was. I accidentally bought a charger because I honestly didn't think it actually came with one, but it does, so I will return that. Just some other paperwork. So it does have a different box than the previous Apple Watch. So I don't know if that's good, bad, in the middle. I don't know, I actually have never seen this in person. I've just seen a few videos here and there about it. They were just on sale at Amazon for like $7.39, and then Verizon had that $150 off. I do believe you have to pay monthly payments for it, but I'm probably fine with that at this point. So you got a little bit of material here. I went with the trail band, mainly because I don't really hike, or I didn't really like the styling of this one, how it has a clasp on it, and I don't go in the ocean. Well, I do go in the ocean, but not very often. So this just has a nice, that's kind of nice, has a nice little setup and guide here. They do not typically have this in previous ones. It does have a few different watch bands, than your standard year Apple warranty. So let's take a look at the actual band here. I don't think the band is really that much different than some of the other loop bands out there. This is just the standard silicone one, which started, it felt really nice at the beginning, but it's kind of gross now, just because I wear it so much. Try to keep everything organized here. These bands do work on the other one. I got the small medium size. I believe that will fit. This is kind of a comparison here. It's probably not worth how much these cost. I think it's like $100 if you buy them stock, but it feels like your standard Apple Watch. Does have some elasticity to it, so that is nice. Put that over to the side. Try to keep track of all this stuff just in case. Another reason why I went through the Verizon route is it is easier to set things up. Just having it basically the cell connected to my phone, because we're on unlimited plan, so it's actually only, I think, $5 a month for unlimited data and all that talking and stuff on that. I don't plan on talking and texting and reading emails and all that much, but it will be useful at work where I don't have to carry my phone upstairs anymore. So you have your charger here, which I know I bought one. I'll just have to return it. So you got your standard USB-C charger here. It does not come with a charging brick, but we have one that came with, I believe it's one that came with our iPad Pro, which it still came with chargers. I bought it refurbished through Apple. It was like a 2018 model, so it still came with one. Still able to charge the old ones with that. That's one good thing, is once you get one charger for these, you're basically kind of set up. And again, let's try to keep everything kind of organized here, which I already don't have done. And open this up. I did not get Apple Care or anything. Generally, I don't really care if my watches get a little scratched up. It's not something that I'm really worried about all that much. So if you look at it compared to, actually, it's not that much bigger. If you look at it, well, it might help if I actually had that in view here. So really, size-wise, it really is not that much bigger. It does feel heavier. It does feel significantly heavier, and as you can see, it doesn't have the rounded edges here. They're all basically flat, and it does have a sapphire screen, so it's going to be pretty resistant to scratches. It does have feels like a thicker dimension to it, so it is a little bit chunky boy compared to the old one. But size-wise, it really doesn't, besides this big kind of edge here that bumps out. So you do have what's called an action button, which you can set to a few different things. You have a larger scroll wheel there, or this is the action button. That's just their standard, same button that you have here. So it looks pretty nice. I really would have preferred probably a black design, but overall it seems pretty nice. We'll see what it's like when I get it all set up. But that's it, guys. That's just a quick unboxing, kind of a mini comparison compared to the 45mm iPhone 7 watch. It's our Apple Watch 7. It's not that much different. We will get a long-term review of this up as it goes, but that's it. Have a good rest of the day, weekend, whatever's out there, and I'll see you guys next time.